If you are a Godot developer, you should check these 3 projects out because they will blow away your mind. These projects are made by one of the main asset suppliers right now. Of course, I'm talking about Kenney. They feature a first-person shooter, also known as FPS, a 3D platformer, and a complete city builder tool. Take advantage of them by installing them deep and take your game development skills to the next level. Let's start. In order to install these 3 projects, let's go to the Asset Library project. In the search bar, type Kenney. The 3 projects will appear. So we will click in each of them, click download, and just continue the installation process until we can see the 3 of them on our local projects tab. This first project is an FPS, or also known as a first-person shooter. We are in a sort of floating platforms. We can double jump and shoot at the enemies to eliminate them. There are even some walls that will help us kill the robots easily. In the bottom left, we have our current health that of course decreases if we are shot. As we have the source files, we can modify the setting as we want by changing the enemy's position, platform's position, and we can even instantiate more enemies and platforms. So now we can play our modified level. Probably one of the first games we have ever built are platformers. Well, this 3D platformer has all the expected mechanics in a game of this genre, but it also features an outstanding visual style thanks to all the particles and cute 3D models. In this game, probably the thing that catches our attention the most is the wide attention to detail in every model, particle, and animation. Again, we can modify all platforms and coins positions. What is also pretty cool is the fact that we can take a look at the player animation, and actually we can look about how the developer created all the different animations. For example, we have the jump animation, the static animation, whack, and we can take a look closer at each frame. So we can even see how they modify the different bones of the model in order to make the animation a reality. Last but not least, if you have ever dreamed of building your own city, then you will love this project. It features a bunch of different buildings, from roads to trees, apartments, decorations, etc. Once again, the visual style is just too cool, and the input system of changing the building with the keyboard and placing them with a click is a good approach. So finally, I wanted to create my own city. Actually, this was my first time using this tool, so that is why I couldn't really get the input meta at first, but at the end it was quite easy. My idea was to build something simple with a square road, some buildings, decoration, and that would be all. This tool is so powerful that there is no limit. The only limit is your creativity. So these were all 3 amazing projects that you should check out. Leave me in the comments which one was your favorite. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking as well. See you in the next one, and bye bye.